think Canva can't make animated videos that actually look good? Most people don't realize what's possible, or that Canva can even do this, and that's exactly why their videos look basic. I've been using Canva to create all kinds of videos for well over 4 years, and today I'm showing you the exact tricks that'll make your animations pop, even if you're using the free version. No fancy software, no overwhelm, and yes, it works on desktop, tablet, or even your phone. And I'll walk you through several examples step by step. Let's get started. Okay, so first log into Canva and then choose either video or YouTube video. Now choose a landscape style. Okay, and it's going to open up a page that looks just like this. Now click on the plus sign and add a few pages. Next, go to Elements. Go up here and type in Park. Now go over here and click on this, then click on either Free or Pro. Now all these you're looking at are free. So click off of that, then choose this image and put it right there. Enlarge it a little bit, then duplicate it. Now I'll flip it and add it side by side just like that. Let me scoot it in here. There we go. Enlarge it a little more and put it right about there. Next, I'll go up here and look for someone walking. Again, click on those 3 lines and click on Animated. And now all these are animated. If you want to use a free one, just don't choose any that have the crown on them. I'll add this guy and put him there. The next thing I'll do is to come up here and click on this guy. I'll add him too. Then I'll flip him and put him right there. All right, so I'll choose Animated, click on the B. Now I'll hold the mouse button down and drag it across the screen like that. Next, you can change the speed and choose Steady, etc. Then I'll repeat the same process with this other guy on the right. I'll make him walk across to the left just like that. Now look at this. The wrong guy is in front of the other. We don't want that, so let's fix it. So click on Position, go to Layers, and now drag this guy like this. Now it's fixed. That's exactly what I wanted, so that's how you fix a layer problem. So I'll go back up here and look for a duck. I'll choose this one, resize it, and put it there. Now go to Animate and choose Wiggle and lower it like that. So check this out. Now when the guys are walking, do you see the duck right on top of this one? I need to fix that. So I'll go back to Position, click on it, and then move the duck below the guys. So now he's behind them. Excellent. So you've got to just watch each scene very carefully. Now let's look for some clouds. I'll click right up here, go there, and pull that cloud over there. Then I'll duplicate it. Next, I'll animate it. Click on Animate, then the B, and just pull it over like that. Adjust the speed. There we go. I'll do the same thing for this other one. Click Animate, the B, and then pull it over like that. Now you can see how everything is moving together. All right, good for that one. Now let's make another. So go back up here in Elements and look for Forest. Go to Graphics, and let's see. How about a road? What about this one? I'll put it right there, and then I'll put it up here just like that. I need something at the bottom. I'll look for a road. I'll put it right there. Now I need a car. I'll click on those 3 lines, then click on Animated, and these are all animated versions. How about this one? I'll put it there. Then I'm going to click on Animate and the B. Next, I'll pull it straight across, like that. All right, and we could change the speed and movement if we wanted. Now I'll look for a bird. I'll put it right there. How about a butterfly instead? I'll add it there. Now I'll animate it. Then click on the B and move it like that. Did you see that? The bird is on top of the car. Let's fix it. So again, go to Position, then Layers, and then pull the bird layer under the car. Now it's behind it. Okay, let's watch it again. All right, here comes the new scene.
Nice!
And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.